right, it is Sunday morning, 7:30 a.m. This is the off-road Tinley's Extreme Triathlon. So they're going to swim a half mile, followed by a 17-mile, extremely hilly, very rugged, technical mountain bike ride, and then 6-mile run. So it is dusty, there's no rain today, ideal conditions, a little cool, but we're ready to go. Half-mile swim, 17-mile bike, 6-mile run. The Tinley's Extreme Off-Road Triathlon is underway. George Newland, that's George Newland, our first swimmer, and he's got quite a lead. He has got quite a lead, so he is a swimhead. You can tell from his back, looks like a big V. All right, we're in the swim of Tinley's Extreme Off-Road Triathlon. This is our leader. All right, there goes Johnny Cerrito. Johnny Cerrito doing Tinley's Extreme Toughest Challenge, doing the long hill climb, the international on-road. That's Sarah Claus. Not Ho 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 red suit, that's her uncle, Santa Claus. But this is Sarah Claus. Go get him, Sarah. She's our only woman doing the long course extreme. All right, here we go, our first swimmer. Hey, his last name is Armstrong. Marty Armstrong. Is that Marty Armstrong? It's Marty Armstrong. All right. Marty did the hill climb, the sprint. Yep. No relation to Lance, but that is Marty Armstrong, our leader out of the water. Abigail Blake. Abigail Blake. 14 years young. Abigail Blake. Stay in the sport. Right now, one cyclist off the bike onto the run in the sprint course, and that is 495, Gil Castillo. All right, our second athlete into transition, Marcus Fancher. Marcus Fancher, 31 years old.
The hard way.
He's from Fresno. He's second off the bike. Great job, 495. First overall in the sprint course today, Gil Castillo.
Great, thank you. Good job.
All right, second overall in the sprint distance off-road for Sunday, Marcus Fancher, 31-year-old from Fresno, 486. Marcus Fancher. Third overall, 503, J.P. Sulpizio from the Golden Gate Triathlon. All right, our first woman, 274. 274, our first woman across the line in the sprint, Abigail Blake. Oh, man, one of the Blakes. All right, our second woman coming in strong, 146, Marguerite Harris. Marguerite Harris has been competing here all weekend. She did the hill climb on Friday. She did, I believe, the Olympic course on Saturday. And now the sprint off-road on Sunday. All right, our third woman, 107. She busted a chain out there on the bike, but she finished anyways. 107, Amy Teshi.